struggles and triumphs, we have successfully surpassed grade 11. We are deeply grateful for the unwavering guidance and invaluable lessons imparted to us by our esteemed advisors, Ms. Karen C. Dahel and Ms. Mary Hazel M. Abuela. Their dedication and support have been instrumental in our growth, achievement throughout this journey. As we approach the pinnacle of our academic journey, graduation, we find ourselves deeply focused and resolute in facing the challenges that lie ahead. While we may feel a sense of sadness at the thought of possibly not crossing paths again, we have made the conscious decision to cherish and create lasting memories of our time together at IHA. As we begin the school year, the school and the SSG Council organize an event designed to bring all companions together, the Batik Humaman 2024, providing an opportunity to connect with one another and showcase their diverse skills and talents. One of the highlights of the event was a competition where each grade was tasked with performing a dance routine set to a retro theme, with the best performer earning an award. True to our class's reputation for talent and achievement, we enthusiastically participated in the competition. As a result, we proudly took home the trophy, once again claiming the title of champions. The usual celebration took place during the month of August, a time dedicated to honoring Buwan ng Wika. As part of the festivities, we proudly donned our Filipiniana and Barong Tagalog attire. The celebration also included a presentation and competition of folk dances in which we participated and represented our group. Our dedication and hard work were rewarded as we secured first place in the competition. Additionally, Sophia Ann B. Reyes and Win Walter L. Valiaga embodied our values and proudly represented us as candidates for Lakambini and Lakambiwa respectively. After all, we were carefully balancing the enjoyable events with our school activities, ensuring that we remain focused and on track in fulfilling our academic responsibilities. As we transitioned into November, the excitement of our intramurals unfolded. With the ceremonial lighting of the torch, the games officially began, and we participated in each event with determination and enthusiasm, just as we have in previous years. Despite giving our best efforts, we were unable to claim victory in some of the sports competitions. However, this setback did not discourage our spirits. Instead, we found motivation and pride in the achievements of Althea D. G. Custodio and Francis Vince R. Torres, who were proud Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2025, embodying the true essence of sportsmanship, grace, and confidence as they stood on stage. Although we did not secure championship in certain sports, our energy and perseverance were evident in our performance. Our cheers remained unwavering, and we were once again recognized as the best cheers, a testament to our unity and support for each other. Ultimately, our collective efforts led us to an outstanding achievement, claiming the title of overall champions for the third consecutive years, proving that our spirit is truly undefeatable. Following the intramurals, we celebrated Foundation Day, a time filled with both busyness and enjoyment. After weeks of intensive practice and dedication, we successfully showcased our modern dance and folk dance performances during the variety show near Guzman Park. The event highlighted the exceptional talent and skills of the Ihanians, underscoring the creativity and hard work that defines our community. The moment we had eagerly awaited arrived with the search for Mr. and Miss IHA 2025. As this marked our graduating year, we entrusted Sophia Ann B. Reyes and Win Walter L. Valiaga to represent our class. Through their faithful dedication, hard work, and the support of our prayers, they earned the distinguished title of Mr. and Miss IHA 2025 First Runner-Up, a fitting achievement in the representation of our class. In addition to our talented performers, we were honored to have diligent journalists in our midst. Jessica Eloisa Armadia, Zephaniah K. of our rich cultural history and the principles that bind us together as a united society. As seniors, it has been an honor to be part of this thriving and supportive community. This school has truly been our second home, providing us with not only education, but a place to grow, form lasting friendships, and feel a strong sense of belonging. We are deeply grateful for the experiences and memories we will carry with us always. To my dear spouse, you know who you are. I would like to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to each of you for your support, especially during challenging times. Despite our busy schedules and the demands of schoolwork, you always make time to be there for me, offering your help, engaging in meaningful conversations, and providing much-needed encouragement. I am truly grateful for everything you've done, particularly the times when you all patiently waited by my side, never leaving until my father arrived to pick me up from school. Even during the occasions when he arrives late, sometimes until as late as 7 p.m., you stayed with me without question. Your understanding, care, and concern have made a lasting impact on me, and I will forever cherish the bond we share. As we stand on the threshold of the future, I am filled with excitement and hope for the years ahead. I trust that our bond will endure across time and that we will continue to look out for one another, always supporting each other with firm commitment. To our dearest Miss Irene A. De La Cruz and Miss Karen C. Dael, we extend a depth of gratitude that words alone cannot fully express. Despite our stubbornness and occasional clumsiness, you still treated us as your children, and you never ceased to believe in us. Your guidance, patience, and encouragement have served as the foundation upon which we have built our knowledge and growth throughout this journey. For this, we are profoundly grateful. And before I set this last history as my remaining memories in my dear alma mater IHA, I would like to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to my beloved parents. Thank you for making the decision to send me to this wonderful institution and for your never-ending support throughout my journey. Your presence at every school event, your constant guidance during my academic challenges, your effort in paying my school fees, and your care in preparing my meals each day have meant the world to me. I am truly blessed to have parents whose love, care, and life-changing advice have shaped me to the person I am today. Your support has been the foundation of my success, and for that,